Hi students, today we will going to discuss rule to find the particular integral of case 3. Okay, here the case 3 is if capital F of xy is equal to x power m into y power n. Okay, the function in this form. Okay, then the particular integral is equal to 1 by small f of d comma d dash into x power m y power n. So in this case what we have to do, take this denominator to the numerator in the form of power minus 1. Okay, that is f of d comma d dash whole power minus 1 into x power m y power n. Okay, now what we have to do here, we need to expand this. We need to expand this f of d comma d dash whole power minus 1 in ascending powers of d comma d dash and then operate on x power m y power n. Okay, so we need to expand this by using binomial expansions. Okay, we have to expand this by using binomial expansions. Okay, so that is 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus so on, and 1 plus x whole power minus 1 minus x plus x square minus x cubes plus so on, like this. These are the few binomial expansion formulas we are going to use to expand these functions. Okay, so by knowing those formulas we can expand this in ascending powers of d comma d dash. Okay, here the note some important points we are going to discuss now. What are they? Here the first one, in x power m y power n. Okay, in x power m y power n, if m greater than n, so that is this degree of x. Okay, the degree of x is m, degree of y is n. Here if m greater than n, like x square y, x cube y square, like that. If m greater than n, then try to write f of d comma d dash as a function of d dash by d. Remember this is very important. If m greater than n, then try to write f of d comma d dash as a function of d dash by d. Okay, now in x power m y power n, okay, in x power m y power n, if m less than n, then try to write f of d comma d dash as a function of d by d dash. Okay, so remember these are the two important points here. You have to remember, in x power m y power n, if m greater than n, then try to write f of d comma d dash as a function of d dash by d. Okay, d dash by d in x power m y power n if m less than n. Okay, like xy square, x square y power 4, like this. Okay, then try to write f of d comma d dash as a function of d by d dash. Okay, d by d dash. If m equal to n, okay, like x square y square, x cube y cube, xy, in that case you can write in any one of the form. So like either you can write as a function of d dash by d or d by d dash, if both m and n are same. Okay, so and another point you have to remember here, that is here, as you know, what is a capital D is dou by dou x. What is a capital D dash? Dou by dou y. That is a partial derivative of function with respect to x is dou d, and d dash is partial derivative of function with respect to y. Okay, dou by dou x, dou by dou y. And here 1 by d denotes the integration. Okay, capital D is a derivative and 1 by d denotes the integration with respect to x. And 1 by d dash is denotes the integration with respect to y. Okay, remember these 2 points again. 1 by D, capital D denotes the integration with respect to x, and 1 by d dash denotes the integration with respect to y. Okay, these are the 3 important points you have to remember. So now let us take a look at the problems now. Here the first one problem. Solve capital D square minus 2d d dash plus 2d dash square of z is equal to x cube y. First, in order to get the solution, first we have to find the complementary function. For that, write the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is, here the auxiliary equation, m square minus 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. How you get this? In f of d comma d dash, put d is equal to, put capital D is equal to m and capital D dash is equal to 1. Just by putting that and equating to 0, you will get the auxiliary equation, that is f of m comma 1 is equal to 0. That is m square minus 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. So there, and finding the factors here, finding the roots here, m is equal to 2 plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac, that is 4 minus 8 by 2. So therefore finally the roots are imaginary here. M is equal to 1 plus or minus I. Okay, the roots are imaginary roots, 1 plus or minus I. Now, since the roots are imaginary here, the complementary function f1 of y plus 1 plus ix plus f2 of y plus 1 minus ix. Now, this is the complementary function since the roots are 1 plus I and 1 minus I. Now, finding the particular integral. So, that is equal to 1 by f of d comma d dash, that is capital D square minus 2d d dash plus 2d dash square into x cube y. Now you can observe here x power m y power n. Okay, x power m y power n. Here m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 1. And since m greater than n, okay, m greater than n, then write f of d comma d dash as a function of d dash by d. Okay, so that means here if y has a least degree, okay, then d dash must be in the numerator. Okay, whatever here we have the least degree, that should be in the numerator. So here y, that is it. Since you know that the capital D is equal to dou by dou x, capital D dash is dou by dou y. Okay, so y degree has the least one when comparing with the x. Okay, so therefore d dash must be in the numerator. That is, we should write this as a function of d dash by d. Okay, got it? Now we need to expand this. For that, first we need to write the as a function of d dash by d. Further, what we have to do, so in this take the d square common. Okay, take the d square common. In order to write this as a function of d dash by d, take the d square, capital D square common. Okay, so now what you will get here, d square common, 1 minus 2d dash by d plus 2d dash whole square by d square. Okay, so now take it to the numerator. Now 1 minus of, take the minus common, 1 minus of 2d dash by d minus 2d dash square by d square whole power minus 1. Okay, so now here we are going to use the binomial expansion formula. Here this is 1 minus x whole power minus 1 formula. That is 1 plus x square plus x cube plus so on. This is the formula we are going to use here. Yeah, so here that 1 plus x, okay, 1 plus x square plus x cube plus so on, like that we need to expand that. But I am considering here only this term d dash. Okay, d dash up to only this term. I just ignoring this. I can neglect the remaining powers. Why? Because d dash whole square here. Okay, d dash whole square means the remaining terms you will get the d dash. Okay, the power of the d dash is greater than 1. Okay, the power of the d dash is greater than 1. So in that case, when we operate on y, okay, d dash means dou by dou y. Okay, that the dou by dou y. When you operate a d dash on y, what happens? D dash of y is 1, but d dash square of y will be 0. Okay, so that's why we are neglecting the higher powers of d dash. So the remaining all the terms contains the higher powers of d dash. That's why I just considering only this first term, that is 2d d dash by d. Okay, got it? Why we are neglecting the remaining terms? Okay, since the d dash contains the higher powers, okay, like 2, 3, 4, 5, because d dash square of y is 0, d dash cube of y is 0, d dash 4 of y is 0. So that's why we are neglecting the remaining terms. Okay, so that's, I am just considering this, since the d dash power 1, so that is we have to consider in this expansion up to the terms where the d dash degree and the y degree are same. Okay, here d dash degree is 1, y degree is 1. Okay, so up to this term only we need to consider, and we can neglect the remaining terms. Okay, now you can see here. So now here 1 plus 2 d dash by d x cube by, now multiply here, take it inside of the bracket here, x cube by, now 2 by d, first operate the numerator on this function, d dash of x cube y. Okay, d dash of x cube y means d dash means dou by dou y. So x cube is a constant, you can take it out. What is the d dash of y is? Dou by dou y of y is 1. Okay, now you got it here, 2 by d x cube. Now take this 1 by d square inside, 1 by d square of x cube y and 2 by d cube of x cube. Now as I told you here, 1 by d means, okay, 1 by d means integration. 1 by d integration of 1 by d of f of x y is an integration with respect to x. Okay, 1 by d means integration with respect to x. So here we need to integrate only x cube here. X function, y is constant in that case. Okay, y is constant, only we have to integrate x. So what 1 by d square of x cube means? We have to integrate this x cube twice, and here we have to integrate x cube thrice. Okay, so now by integrating that you will get x power 5 y by 20 plus x power 6 by 60. Now we will write the complete solution here. The complete solution, z is equal to, okay, f1 of y plus 1 plus ix plus f2 of y plus 1 minus ix plus x power 5 y by 20 plus x power 6 by 60. That is complementary function plus particular integral. So this is the complete solution. Okay, I hope you understand. Yes, thank you.